There we go, back on again, hopefully. I'm just going to put a little bit more glue there. Like that. Your life belts can be how you want them. I'm going to paint those as well. We'll do red here and here. And they can just hang off there. Like that. And then we need another one for this side. So again, you just put a little bit of glue. Pop on your string. Wrap it round twice and glue it so that it stays like that. Make a little loop. Like that. And again, wrap that around. We'll glue the back on and that's not a problem. Just fasten that on like that. And then we can just do another one here. Right. And then wrap that round again. Get through! Actually, I don't want it on that side. I'm going to put it on that side. There we go. Oh, bugger that. Oh, got glue on it. Needs to go in there, mate. And there's another one. Like I say, they don't have to be too perfect. We just stick them on like that. You can see what they are. I might put one on the boat, on the side of the boat. Let's have a look. So we can just paint one. So let's have a look. Let's just see if we can paint this one. Get a little bit more paint. God, I hope you can see these. I think this one I'll just paint both colours. Right, we're just going to leave that to dry. You get blathered in paint. And I will colour these in again as well. In fact, I have a red colour that I want to use somewhere, so I'll fish that out and we'll do that. But just going to leave that to dry. You know. But that's what you do. That's all you do. And we'll get some more bits and pieces done. I'm going to leave those to dry. Sorry to... I need to paint... No, let me just paint them. Sorry. Let me just get these done. They will be glued down anyway. Yeah, they'll be glued down anyway, so we'll just leave that to dry. And they don't have to be, sorry, they don't have to be identical or anything like that whatsoever. Right, so I'm just going to leave that one to dry. And I'll be back.